The oil level float is a bizarre looking part. It's shaped so that it can barely fit inside the hole in the side of the sump tank without removing the tank. Installation requires a bit of maneuvering in order to place the sender inside. The sender is accessible from the outside of the tank, looking in from the rear wheel well. The primary signal wire is connected to the center of the unit, and a ground is connected to one of the mounting bolts on the unit. Make sure that you don't drop any dirt or debris in the tank when you remove the old unit or install the new one. Also, always replace the gasket whenever you remove the unit or install a new one. If you're needing to replace the gauge, there are actually two gauges inside of a housing. You don't need to replace the entire unit as the oil level gauge is separate. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with replacing your gauges. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.